Hey, this new coffee shop just opened up in Dallas a few weeks ago. We went to check it out, get matcha, and explore. It's so fun. Wait, what? They have matcha.
You can say your video.
Gonna be my video? Say hola. They got pie, they got bread. You wanna sit outside? Yeah. They got that.
Something coming your way.
But I gotta tell you something. No. Gracias. My baby.
What's the right?
Cheers.
Cheers.
To Pookies. To friendship. For aspirations. For God waking us up today. It's a blessing. The wind. Oh! Ah! People probably think I'm crazy. They probably think I'm a monkey. That's not racist intentions. That's just me characterizing myself as being silly, a goofy goober type stuff. But we're gonna try this pastry. It's a berry muffin. And let's hope and pray it don't have nuts. They said no. So yeah, I'm gonna share with my Pookie bear. So Pookie, they really put fresh berries up in there. Okay, do you want me to break it? They got this homemade muffin right here. Shout out to the Cottage Grocery because they got the fresh homemade pastries. Tastes like a real fresh berry. They put fresh berries in here, you can tell. It's soft.
It's good.
¿Tú quieres más? Muy rico. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If I come back here, it's gonna be for the pastries. The matchas, it's okay. I give it like a 6, 7. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. This is really great.
Christmas thing right now. Okay, Christmas. Okay, Christmas.
Right. Christmas is great.
I love my color hair. I think I keep the same color.
matcha might be a 6, 7, but I'm gonna finish it because it's matcha, regardless. Put your left foot in, put your right foot out. You do the hokey pokey. It's windy, bro. So that bread was pretty good, so I actually got another one for to go. So yeah, don't judge me. You know, I took my 6, 7 matcha. No tienes mucho dinero.
It's a Mexican one, you see?
Oh, pesos.
When you went to Mexico.
Yeah. Okay, get the octopus.
You like it?
No. I never had it. I was scared. They have pasta.
13,82. En un momento llevamos una michelada mix a la mesa.
¿Ese es mi número o...?
¿Tu número?
Okay.
El número para todos.
Okay. ¿Cuál es el número para todos?
Yeah. Well, I have a question. So is the chicken sandwich, is it cold or is it hot?
The chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
It's grilled, so it's hot. It has lettuce, tomato, onions.
So is it like mostly like cold, right?
Yeah, well, the veggies are cold.
Okay. ¿Puedo ordenar este sándwich de pollo
Pollo, okay.
con aguacate?
Aguacate, okay.
Sí, por favor.
Alright.
Y piña colada.
Nicolás, okay. We come with fries. ¿Tiene con papas? ¿Está bien?
Sí, sí.
Okay. Ahorita tenemos especial las margaritas. Piña colada. Okay. ¿Algo más?
Es todo.
Que serían 23,76. Dijiste con aguacate, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Serían 25,87.
Gracias.
You like a cup of water?
Sí. Gracias. Guys, I'm bilingual. I ordered in Spanish. Diles hola.
Hello. Now I take a michelada. And
ella es una mexicana. La verdad.
so good. Take my picture, Pookie.
And I got the piña colada. Qué rico. So rico.
Viene con una salsa que te voy a pedir.
Yummy. Lo siento. Oh, gracias. Es grande. Qué rico.
Es que ella empezó. Es que no podía ponerse niño aparte.